Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q2 Sport. The car's got the daytime running lights with the front headlight washer jets. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch 5-arm rotor alloy wheels with the contrast silver C-pillar, with the rear parking sensors and the single polished chrome exhaust. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a remainder of the manufacturer's warranty and a remainder of the manufacturer's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the black cloth front sport seats, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, navigation with air conditioning, a 6-speed manual gearbox with the electronic handbrake and auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi Q2, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.